Guys, do you have any doubts on yesterday's class? Margin, padding, and border. So if not, so we can go to the next topics. Okay. So today we can discuss about the CSS forms and CSS navigation and CSS buttons. Okay. So first one is the CSS forms. CSS form. So how to override the default style of how to override the default style for the forms. Okay, so that is what the CSS forms. So now we have to create a form. So first one, creating a file 47.html. So then doc type and HTML. So then head, title, um, CSS form, form inputs. Okay, so then after that body. So then close body. H2 CS form style. Okay, so the next one, so we have to create a form tag. Okay, so then after that, so label first name, so then after that, sorry, then after that input type equal to text. So then name equal to so then f name, then value equal to empty. So then placeholder. These are the attributes for inputs. Enter first name. Okay, so then close. So input is closed. Okay, so then we can keep it. One do this one. Okay, so input and so input one input we created and another input we can create last name. Okay, last name. Enter last name. And here is the L name. So whenever you are creating any inputs, we have to give the unique name because of we have to store these values to the database. When we submit, so all these values transferred transferred with this reference only. With this reference only, these names must be unique. Okay. So then after that, so email. So type equal to email. Name email. Enter email. Okay. So then after that, password. Type equal to password. Password. Okay. So then placeholder enter password. Okay. So till now we created the input boxes, right? So then now we can create a select box. Then so the select your country. Okay. So then here we have a select box. Select and inside option. So then first one is the select your country. So value is empty. Okay, here also we have to give the name. Name equal to country. Okay, so then after that option. option, and value equal to India. So then close India. Okay. So the next one option. So then USA. So then value equal to USA. Okay. So this is the way we are having the form. So then after that button we are having. Okay. We have one text area also. So then text area. Sorry. After label div div. So then inside message label and message. Okay. After message we have a text area and then close text area. If you want to place a placeholder, so enter your long text. Okay. So then after that we have a submit button. So class div. So then input type equal to submit submit and value equal to save. Okay. Capital S. This name equal to submit. Okay. So this is the form. Okay. Now we can check this one. HTML then 47.html. Okay. So this is my form. Okay. So first one. So I want to put label is one line and this one is one line. Input is one line. Okay. For that, for that. So I am creating the styles here. Style equal to, so then, so label. So what I have to write? I want to display one line. So label field is a inline block. So then what I have to write? So label display block. Label display block. Okay. So then label is coming one line. So then input is coming one line. Alright. So I want to display this form to the center. Okay. I want to display this form to the center. Now I have to create a body width equal to 1200 pixels. Okay. So then margin 0 pix auto. Okay. So then again still I want to place this form. So this is a left and right side is having unique value, unique spacing. So then I want to display this form in the center. So then we can see it from here. Okay. Excellent center. Okay. So then I want to write a form tag. Okay. Text align center. Now, so this is displayed like this. Okay. All right. Clear. So then now I want to change the style of this input. By default, it is having 1 pixel padding and 2 pixel. So then now I am changing this padding, padding 5 pixel and 5 pixel only. Okay. 5 pixel for all padding. So then background 12 and border border CC sorry border. So what I have to write? 1 pixel solid. So what type of border? First one we have to write border width. So then after that, what type of border it is, border style. So then after that, border color. So I'm giving the CCC. So this is my border color. So this is for all the inputs. This is for all the inputs. So input. Okay, now you can see. Now you can see. Okay, so but select box is not changed and this one also not changed. Okay, so you want to apply the same for select box. So just you have to group it, comma, comma, select, select. Okay, now select also change. So then you want to change the text area also. So then group it, text, sorry, text area. Now you can see. Okay, so this is the way we can create a file. So for suppose inside, so our text is black color, right? Our text color is black color. So then if you want to change the color of text, so you can change the color of text also. Color, color. So then you can change something different to blue. Okay. So basically by default, so everybody can enter black text only. So then now you can see. Okay. When you enter this one, so it is automatically takes the black color. Okay. So then password. Okay. For suppose for password, I want to change the different background color for password. For password, I want to change the different text. So then how I can change? So then we have to give like this. So input. So then square brackets, type equal to password. So this is the attribute CSS. So this is the attribute CSS. Now background color. So we are giving this color. Okay. So now you can see for password field. Now password field is changed. Okay. So this is the way we can apply the check. Okay. First, suppose if you are having the form, where is this form? This is the form. So you want to give the width of this form width 200 pixels. Okay, 200 pixels. So then it's equal to R. You can give the 100%. 100%. There's this one. So form width is 100%. So then where is label? Text align left. Okay. So then next one is all the inputs also width 100%. If you want full width of this form, now you can see. Okay. So then why this is not appearing full width? It is going outside of this one. So padding is there, so that's why. Okay. So padding is there, so that's why it is going outside. Okay. So the next one, padding. So you can give like this 0 pixel. So then I am giving the 10 pixel top and bottom. Okay. Now all the fields are unique, right? So then I want to create a space between these inputs and other input, one input and other input. So then margin bottom, bottom 15 pixel. Okay. And then now you can see. Okay. So then I want to create a space between this line, label name and this input. Okay. Now you can see where is this label name. Yes, here it is. Okay. So bottom, padding bottom 5 pixel. Okay. Now space is created. Okay. Now if you can see it here, so image also coming like this, but sorry, not image, the button also coming like this. We want to change this one. Okay. So how we can change this button style? So then input square brackets. So then so type equal to, so then submit, right? Submit. So then width equal to fit content, and then padding 20 pixel. Okay. So then we will see how it will come. Now it is coming like this. Okay. We can decrease some padding 10 pixel. We can decrease the height. So then border, border 1 pixel solid. So then has 0 0. So then border radius, so 5 pixel for getting the curvy borders. So then color, color black only. So then font weight 600. Okay. So that means little bit bold. Now you can see. So this is the way we can apply the button. Okay. So when we hover on this one, so this, if you want to change this button color, so then just do this one. So input, just change the background color, colon, hover. Then so background color, background color. So then chocolate, and so then color white. You can see. Okay. So this is the way we can change the font stylings. Okay, clear? So any doubts on this one? So if you want to apply the border, so for form, so then we can give the border also. Border 1 pixel solid and a red color. So then padding 10% or 30 pixel. Okay, so this is the way we can give the border to form borders. Where is our form? So here it is. So then you can place this title also inside of form. So then it will be, it looks good. Okay. So this is the way we can create a, we can change the form stylings. Okay, clear? So then next one. So any doubts up to here? No doubts. So the next one is What is the next topic? CSS navigation. CSS navigation, where we can use this navigation. So whenever we are highlighting our application, so we need to provide the basic navigation at the top. We need to provide the basic navigation at the top. Okay, so basically navigation is nothing but a group of top level links. Navigation is nothing but group of top level links. Okay, so either in the navigation we are having the two type of things, either vertical navigation or horizontal navigation. Vertical navigation, horizontal navigation. It's a group of links. So to create a group of links, first we have to create a hrefs. Close style. So the next one head close. So the next one body open. So then next one HTML close. Okay, so HTML close. Now, so we have to create a, so we are having two type of navigations, either vertical nav or horizontal nav. First, if you want to create a nav, so we have to navigation, we have to use the nav tag. So in the HTML file, to create a navigations, to create a group of links, if you want to place a group of links in one place, so we have to create in the nav element. So first we are creating nav. So then after that, it's a list of links, right? So then we have to create a ULLI. So LI. So instead of LI, you have to create a anchor tag. href. So then hash. So then home page. Home. Okay. So then next one about. So it's a top level elements, top level navigation we have to provide. Then services. So then blog. So the next one contact. Okay, so then so we can create this type of navigation. See, this type of navigation we can create. So this type of navigation means this type of it. Okay, so then we can see first, so these links, these are all the top level links in the navigation. Now, so these are the links. Sorry, I did one small mistake here. So I have to close li here. Li close, li close, li close. So here we have to open new. Okay, so these are the links I have. So first I can execute this one. So how it looks. So 48.html, 8.html. Okay, so this way it will appear. So first I want to create a so horizontal navigation. So first one, so what I have to do, so I have to remove this list for these bullet points. Okay, so then first one here, here, so style. So first what we created now, right? So for now, okay, display, display flex. Okay, so then after that, so display flex after that, so the next one, so ul, so list style none. Okay, now you can see. Okay, list style none. So then why it is not coming? for now. So we have to give the this one display flex. Okay. Okay. So it is coming. So one after another. Clear? So the next one, so we have to give the background color for this one, right? So background color. So what is my background color here? See, here it is my background color. Now you can see. Okay, linear gradient. So if you want to mix the two colors, so here, so my navigation is mixing the so light color and thick color. So if you want to mix the two colors, we have to give the linear gradient. Okay, we have to give the linear gradient. What happened here? Okay, now this day. Okay, so my body is coming padding, so then we have to write the universal style. So universal star. So then padding 0 pixel and margin 0 pixel. Okay. So then now, so it will stick to that one. So then now you can give the height of this one. Nav height. Okay. Either you can give the nav height or you can write the list li li line height line height line height. So 70 pixels. Okay. So then I want a padding for padding padding. So then so 20 pixel. Okay. So then now you can decrease the line height 20 pixel. So then you can 50 pixel of line height. Okay. So then we have to increase this. We have to increase these font sizes and change the colors. So then first one we have to increase the font size LIA. Okay. So font size 20 18 pixels and font weight 600. Okay. So then in the web application we are giving the everywhere in the anchor tag and list, right? So to create a unique, so we have to create one class here, class equal to main hyphen nav. So then you can give like this. You can give like this. So dot main hyphen nav. So then lia. Okay. So then our font color is white color. So then we can give the white color. It's color equal to FF. Okay. So then if you want to display these things in the center, so then we can give like this. So here justify content. So if you want to appear in center, if you want to appear in right side, okay. So we have to use the justify content. Justify content. So what is this one? We have to give the UL. Yes, here it is. Justify content center we can get. Okay, now you can see. So this is the navigation. This is the horizontal navigation. Now I want to create a vertical navigation. I want to create a vertical navigation. How I can create it? So if you want to create a vertical navigation, you cannot give the 100% width, right? So you have to give only some specific width. Then we have to define the width first. Width. Then we can give the width for now. Width 200 pixels. Okay. So then or 250 pixels. Okay, so then how I can give? So then display flex. So flex direction column. Okay, so this is the way we can create the vertical navigation. Okay, so then we can create the both the one. So then where is this one? So this is horizontal. Okay, so the next nav is vertical nav. Okay, so then here where is this one? Here it is. UL, that horizontal UL. So then we have to create a vertical navigation. Vertical UL. So display flex, justify content, sorry, flex direction column. Okay. So then we have to give the nav also, right? So vertical nav, vertical nav dot vertical. So width 250 pixels. Okay. Now you can see. Okay, so this is horizontal, this is vertical. So if you want to decrease these spacings, so it looks correctly, so then we can decrease the line height for this one. Okay, 25. Vertical dot vertical hyphen, so line height 20 pixels. So then padding also we are given, right? So 10 pixel we can, now you can see. Okay, so this way we can create it. Okay, now also here if you can see this, when we hover on this one, so when we hover on this one it will showing something, and also we can change the color of when we hover on that one, so we have to change the color. So then where is this one? So main nav lia, so then how to take hover attribute, hover, so then color equal to yellow. Okay, then now you can see when we hover on this one, so it will change the color also. Okay, so this is the way we can create a navigations. Okay, clear? So the next one is, okay, horizontal nav, and then CSS buttons. CSS buttons. So how many ways we can create a buttons? We already seen this one, so again we are repeating. So we can create a buttons in 3 ways. So using button element, using button HTML element, so then anchor tag, so then input type button. Okay, so then input type button. So then CSS navigation. The next one, so 49.html. Yes, sir. So then I don't want all this CSS or remove. So then I don't want this one. Okay, or remove. So nothing is there. Body and style, just universal style is there. CSS buttons. So we can create a buttons using three ways, right? So first is heading. So CSS buttons. Okay. So the next one is, so we can create a button with first one button element. Button. So then button. Okay. So the next one is um, a href equal to, so then hash, so then link button. Okay, link button. So then next one is input type equal to either submit or button. Input type button. So then value equal to input button. Okay. So these three ways we can create a button using HTML elements. Then 49.html. Okay. So three buttons came. So then now we can design how we can design these things. This is the default HTML button. So now we can create a buttons. So first we can create with this one. So first I can give the padding 10 pixel. Okay. Then 20 pixel. Okay. So then border 1 pixel solid. So then CCC. Okay. So then background blue. Okay. Background blue. So then color white. Okay. So then font size 18 pixels. Okay. Clear. So then border radius 10 pixel and 0 pixel. So we can increase this one. Okay. So these type of buttons also we can create. Okay. So this is the default button. So we can use the class for this one. So btn. So I'm creating the btn. So then, so pasting all this CSS properties inside of this button class. So then I can use this button class to all these things. Class equal to button. So then this href also same thing. Href also same thing, and input also same thing. Now you can see. Okay, clear. So this is the way we can create, but anchor tag we are getting the underline, right? So by